Wisathala, Ragnarok, the twilight of the gods, some elements of which may be actually a little closer to reality than you might expect. In the 6th century, there were several cataclysmic events, one of which probably deeply impacted Scandinavia. There were at least 2, if not a 3rd volcanic eruption around the world that blanketed the entire planet in volcanic ash, blotting out the sun and moon and causing crop failures. A bit like the sun and moon being swallowed by wolves in the Ragnarok mythos. And this causes volcanic winter that lasts a few years, a bit like Fimbulwinter that lasts a couple of years, described in the Ragnarok mythos. This inevitably, the crop failure leads to famine in Scandinavia that doesn't have a lot of arable land or sunlight to begin with. It probably felt really hard, and we know the population dropped by like half. So this likely led to a massive cultural impact on the agrarian Scandinavian societies of the 6th century, and quite possibly influenced the Ragnarok mythos. And as these populations are competing for what little resources are left, there probably was some degree of fratricide and brother against brother, like described in Voluspa about Ragnarok. All of this starting with Surtur bursting forth from Muspelheim with volcanic fury across the 9 worlds. Now, the Scandinavian population in the 6th century probably had no idea this was all caused by volcanic eruptions, but that is a hell of a coincidence.